I have severe pain, extremely excruciating pain. Then I need to go back to my normal.
Yeah.
This part, right?
This part.
I also choose some point to open her forget to build up her immune system. I'm going to put the infrared for 25 minutes. Aching, heavy?
No, it's heavy.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
good. Heavy is a good sensation for us. It means the needle is stimulate the point.
Yes. I have severe pain, extremely excruciating pain. From my toes, actually, all the way to my knee, to my hips, and all the way, there's like to my right shoulder, arm, hand, my whole right is just, like this one I can go up. I can't go up,
Okay.
like it's like, then I need to go back to my normal.
She got the injury in 2015, but the second one is 2017, and she come to see us in 2022, January. Say it's already become chronic pain. So in Chinese medicine, the chronic pain is kind of, for her case, like over fatigue or kidney qi deficiency.
I have a lot of good reserve in my body, but now I feel like as time goes on, it's becoming lower and lower because
Sure.
it's draining my energy.
Yeah.
I'm tired all the time,
Okay.
and I mean, just so much.
It's okay.
So in Chinese medicine, the chronic pain is kind of, for her case, like over fatigue or kidney qi deficiency. Over fatigue plus the kidney function, and also for her age, it is not easy to move the qi to nourish your meridian. When your nourish meridian is not very good, so meridian is kind of stuck, so we're leading to the pain.
And I gave Western medicine a fair choice many years, and they couldn't help me.
And you now have 1.5.
1.5.
Yes,
Okay. Sure.
because you have hip pain, right? Is that right?
Yeah.
This
There.
part, right?
This part.
So we have to, for the principle is tonify the kidney qi and the condition. So we choose some point, especially local point around the right foot. We call the GB40, 丘虚, and also the kidney 3, 太溪. And I also choose some point to kind of open her forget to build up her immune system. At I4, liver 3, and stomach 36. These 3 points are really good for immune boost. And also local point on the hip, because she mentioned she also have hip pain. So I'm going to put the infrared for 25 minutes. In the Chinese diagnosis, we will check patients' her complexion, the tongue, and when the tongue diagnosis have different areas to kind of check different organ function, and depending on the color or the tongue shape, we'll see its essence type or deficiency type. Okay, and there's purple on the side, so it's kind of stagnation. So she's still kind of you feel pain, right? It's because you are kind of kidney qi is not enough. We say kidney deficiency.
My pain actually have been improved.
Okay, great.
Since I came here. You're more comprehensive. You have, you have like herbs. You have everything. Different types of treatment and training.
Yes.
And even so, I feel this is the best place I want to.
And you're responding really well.
And I think you can help me here. And I, hope and I pray. I can go back and walk me again.
Yes. Well, I mean, the fact that you're getting the sensation back is a really good sign. So,
We have to tonify the kidney qi and also condition to help her feel more calm down. Then help her to kind of relieve pain and then eventually go back her like a functional life. Yeah, to help her can stand up again.